So twerking session and the UT when? With Emily?
Soon.
I'll get the black sorority to teach you.
Yes. We can do it on your stream. If you somehow manage to make it happen.
I can make that happen.
You can find a sorority to teach me how to twerk?
Yes.
I don't think I would be able to do it.
If Glorilla could do it, you can do it.
Who's Glorilla?
Can I play your music real quick so I can just show you?
Yes. Is my cough disrupting you? I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Trust me, you're good.
Really?
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay. Thank you, Dean.
Yeah, no worries.
All right, so